Okay, today is September 6th, 2010, Monday. It is Labor Day. This is a 97 Chevy Malibu. I just got done making a video a couple days ago about bypassing the radiator on this Malibu to make it mobile, in hopes of being able to pull it out of here. However, we've encountered a problem. The car won't start. The car did start when we acquired the car some months ago. It started and ran. We drove it in here. But now it is doing something peculiar. So we've got the ignition switch pulled out because we've switched it with a 2000 Malibu. The ignition tumbler is original to this car. The electronic component that actually turns the car on and whatnot is not. So it seems to be working. Dash lights are lit up. We do, however, have the anti-theft light on. I'm not sure what's going on here. I think the theft system has something to do with the inability to start. So here's what the car does. Key in the ignition, lights on. Let's see what it does. And that's it. The theft light is now blinking, and it won't restart. If we try to restart it, it'll do that, and that's it. That's all it does. So we're going to put our foot on the accelerator here. Going to feather the accelerator slightly. Back to the tack and feathering it. Okay, holding it to the floor. That makes no difference. Let up on the accelerator. Still got the key in the ignition. The tumbler is not working properly, so I'm not going to turn it completely off because it might take me 10 minutes to go again. Let's see here. That's it. It won't do anything. I'm going to start it and try to accelerate. That's it. It's just, we've got a little bit of gas in there. I put about 3 gallons in, and it's just not wanting to do anything. And every time we try to start it, that's what happens. Come on. Maybe we'll try to shut it off completely here. Or not completely. That's off. Lights are back on. Come on. Again, with the dash lights seem to be working. Everything seems to be indicating. Let's get that beeper out of our way. Lights off. Indicators back on. It just won't start. It won't do anything but that. Just gives it a little something for just a few seconds. I'm not touching the accelerator at all. That's it. It's all it'll do. And I turned it all the way off now. Now the tumbler's jammed up. So, but if anybody has any idea why this 97 Chevy Malibu is doing this, is it in fact a problem with the anti-theft system, or what's going on? What do I need to do to clear it up? I would very much love to hear something from somebody.